Right, hi. I'm going to show you, as promised, how to use this program where you can check how other people in your field use English. And well, let's get started. The program itself is called Sketch Engine. So if you do a Google search, this is what will happen. This is what you'll get. The easiest way to do it is to go straight to here where it says Open Corpora. So click on that and you'll see these four. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, the one that we're interested in for now is this one. This is the one with English, with essays written by students at English universities. So we click on that and this is what you'll see. It's a little bit confusing at first. Let's just simplify things. What you'll probably see actually is this. I'll get rid of that. So this is the basic screen, and let's say we're interested in looking at a word. But let's just do a word. Like in the first week we looked at this word, conduct. If I then press enter, it will bring me all the examples of this word. Okay, since conduct is a verb, it's got conducted, actually sometimes it's a noun too, but mainly it's a verb, conducted, conducting, etc. And you'll notice here there's 1,149, that's quite a lot. Okay, so that's one way of looking at conduct. What we forgot to do, if I just go back 1 second, is to restrict this to life sciences. So if we just come back here and text types, if we click on this one button, it makes this appear or disappear. And they're different groups. So AH is arts and humanities, LS life sciences, physical sciences, social sciences. We want life sciences, so we tick on that. That will only get examples from life sciences. So if we do the search again, we'll notice the number's gone down. It's still quite a lot, and I think they'll be more likely to be verbs. So, I mean, immediately we can see study was conducted, test was conducted. So that you get some useful examples anyway. And also you could look at what words come after conducted, conducted amongst or between or under certain circumstances, on patients. One way of checking which words are most common is to come here to collocations and we click on this. Don't worry too much about all this information. Just click on Make Candidate List. And this will tell us the words which go with conduct, most often, so conduct interviews, experiments, etc. If you're interested to know, say, conduct with experiments, we can do P. Click on the P. It will give us all the examples. Experiments conducted on, or conducted to experiments, or conducted experiments on. So you can see that's quite useful examples. And just going back again. Yeah, we can see a good lot of different words. Let's just go to the next page 1 second. Yeah, I can't find on. Oh, here we are, here's on. Experiments conducted on. Yeah, so on is the most common word, I think, in that position just after. So that's how we do quite simple searches. Perhaps it's interesting to look at slightly more complicated ones. So in our last lesson, I'll just go back. If you want to go back to the place you were before, you go to Concordance and we're back on this screen. So, like I say, there are different kinds of ways of searching it, and the one we were looking at the other day was with it, wasn't it? So it, so if we go to phrase, we can put in more than one word. This will search just for it and is, and we were looking for the word that. It is suggested that, one's like that. So we can put in context. So what it does is it looks on either side of it is. So either before is left, after is right. So we could look just to the right, and this is 5 words. So it is one, it is suggested that would be 2 words to the right. I'm allowing it a bit more than that. It says 5, and then we put in that. And this should bring up some interesting results. Let's just check that we're still in the same. So wrong button. Text types. Yeah, we still want to look in life sciences. And we're on phrase, and that's okay. And let's go. And like we say, like I say, you can find all the expressions with that. How many have we got? We've got 520, so that's a lot. There are various things we could do at this stage. Probably the best thing to do is to go to collocations, make a candidate list, and then we see the words, all the words which are most common. So it is clear that, it is likely that, it is thought that. And again, maybe we might be interested to see what they look like. So important is quite an interesting word. And we've got it is important to note that, or it is important that. And if you want it, we haven't shown you this yet, but let's say you want to look at a bigger example. You just click on this, and of course it doesn't work. You need to click on the middle word. That's it. And then you see the bigger sentence, the whole sentence. At present, someone's health is, and it is important that. So we can see that this is part of probably a conclusion, possibly, because it's offering advice. Okay, so that's 2 kinds of searches that I've shown you. I think those are the main ones. Let's just try one more. See if it works. So keep it simple. If you do it is, and again that, and we want to look in life sciences. We get a lot more hits this time. That is probably because, let's see, that finds all, okay, when it is a capital letter as well as when it's lowercase. Okay, so that's good. We'll probably get very similar. It is thought that it now becomes more common. So it's very much the same kinds of words will come up. If you really wanted to, you could save this to a file, so you've got just save it, it will download it to your computer like that, and you've got the whole list and you could look for them. Okay, maybe we'll leave it like that for now. And you can let me know if you have any more questions or other things you want to know.